Hi everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to turn on Bluetooth on your Windows 10. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay guys, if you want to turn on Bluetooth on your Windows 10, simply follow my steps. Here guys we have three steps or three methods. So the first one, go in the lower right corner as you can see. Okay, click here. We have, as you can see, a Bluetooth icon. So when you click here, the Bluetooth turned on and the color will change to blue. Okay, that's it guys, this is the first one. Also we have another method. In the left side, in the left lower corner, as you can see, click in the start menu, click settings. Okay, here guys in the devices, as you can see, click here. Okay, we have a Bluetooth as you can see, so just turn on or off by click in the Bluetooth. Okay, that's it. As you can see, it's turned on. Also you can turn it off again. Okay guys, this is the second method. Also we have a third method. So again, go to your start menu, settings. Okay, network and internet. In the left side guys, or left pane, as you can see, select airplane mode. Okay, here we have a Bluetooth option, so you can turn it on and also turn it off. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.